Search CMD, open the search bar and type on CMD and run as administrator, and finally click on yes. Run SFC scan, type SFC/scan now and press enter. Let the scan run and minimize it. Edit power plan, search edit power plan, open it and go to the power option. Disable fast startup, so choose what the power button do, then click change setting that are currently unavailable, then untick turn on fast startup and click on save changes. Now run chkdsk command. So go back to the CMD. Once the scan is done, type chkdsk/f and press enter. Wait for the confirm check, then press or type Y and press enter. Finally restart your computer, but don't skip the scan when it start and wait for the scan to finish. Once done, your problem should be fixed.